Inyuma ho hakabaho kutinanguwe komire SS neija kugwa bwanyume mu barogwa beje kucendera garuga abeje rushanju gaza abeje 200 kanda habwe nshongeji abashomira hishomereri batanchiri huru yo kuruhunduza
tukozira amayizi agwa twaronsiga kirokeno ninyongera kusima abagenzi bange project ekaba egumire muno baitu tukasingora tukateka milioni 16 kwa kumbaye inchigambire
nindora haroho kugobora kwa amani omwisomero lyaitu habwanyi kandi obulikuba nindora enyuma bakangambira amezi gali gataroho halaroho ekidipa ifali tinkumanya banyiziba lyenda tinkumanya betu abana no batahaga amezi
Dorine banurachika uri mukuru w'ishomereri nagirango bizube yishomereri biceri byinji no bahara bengwa bashomire yo bariyo no bakora ucweka ihembe
twina oburaro butaito kwa basomesa neitwe administrators yitwe turara haraho abasomesa abakorara hano bake kandi twina mukorara tisobora kubajunana bokuba buraro butaito tuburona kati
ekintu ekindi kinkwenda kubaza ekinkwenda kumanyisa inywa abantu abanyakure hano mureke kwegaya hano abantu abakiro bwingi mwine omwani mwine bitoke mwine muhogo iwe okusaramo gambe ngunyowe buli mwezi ogurahika ninyi hamwe kitoke kimo ni kiteka ha kaunti ya Busosa.
Brigadier General Abdul Gumayo nawo washomira ishomereri ahigira babona bashomira ishomereri ukahikibara kubasa
so nyoni mbasaba ba OBs and OGs abali hano itwena turuge hano tugende tuetekemo ekintu cyo kugama ngo akantu katoito kanye nawo let us make this school a model school in terms of organization in Chegegwa.
Ninyenda kubasima habwa initiatives ezimutairo kuimucha omutindo kwisomero lino. There is a time about 2-3 years ago all of us were worried that Wekomire Secondary was at the verge of closing because the enrollment was dropping below the 200 mark.
Being in school itself, it's always a journey. It has ups and downs, but perseverance will bring about better results. Hata borabo tungiro mukiso wasomera nawo wamusanga hano kirungi cyo kusimira rahanga
aba baherezo kwishomerera miziga miliyoni 16 ibitabo hamwe no kunduza cyombeko umugandi St John Karutachimbari Primary School erukushango mu Katamba Mbara City North Division erutunjiro buhezo bw'amabati okubahwera kushakara icyombeko cyabo kwera beje kubona ho kushomera
kumbira abana injira kiye kugwa kwerunda no mu rumwe mwe hakiri umwe amabato mushanga gatara ho rumwe twasigaza hemwe ninga twirukanga twazo musente twerira hife abantu twahunjira injire kimara kusya kugaruka tukutuka
ishomera katanu kwa hekerezia omwaka 2020 nekigendwa cyo kwera abana bo mu bishozo bya Katamba mu narukiro kutungo bwegese beturekija rya fafatkana.
It is an official plan approved by the diocese and by the council kandi obwahati tubanze kwimusyaho classe zina ezishakire hwibiri kandi ezindi ibiri zirya ring beam rero turaheze kwimusyezi nazona ezindi 3 ntongera ntugera tuta nazo tuzimusya
obwahati Centenary Bank Uganda ebahira amabati 10 okumaririza cyombeko cyabo.
Of course namba yabana teka kanyere mnonga abo kubo bundo mzire nawo kakwikaho yarebe kizimbi ate cyaza kuntera umwana nangwa tukaba twayombekereho na temporary building hari ecyamakoko majarango hejuru rukutero moro tegumane yongeraho kubaye bacishomera mutamwemwe umuyaga gwiza good enough gacanga turyo mu cyumuro amabate cyagutwara umuyaga but we thank God kugira ngo tutire heki
konka bavire bafima munonga abo kurira Centenary nija kubakwatira kandi twena nanywe umuribo twena nitwatwi no kushemererwa munonga nitubashabira mu mukakore munonga vikakanye
aba Centenary Bank batugambira habwenshi bahwerira ishomereri.
Now for us, we have started as Centenary. We have brought the iron sheets, but we want the community, especially the mothers, make sure your children are coming to this school. Let us grow this school together.
Bantu mwe nokora namanyi hariho abakwanga kufayo gukora mu kugira ngo abana n'aba government ngo abana Museveni abashomese ngo mbwene hati yo father ya leta ishomera aha abaze bebege mwange kushashura fees kandi kuno yani here nyanya.
Inda Aidan Bataringa ya hamwe na Philip Marangira.
And I know I'm ready.